pose that I'm going over next is a variation of pigeon. There's a million different variations of pigeon, and depending on your hip structure and your own tightnesses, you're going to have to play around with it to kind of find what works for you. It's not going to be the same for everybody. The thing that you want to keep in mind if you're going for a more traditional pigeon is that you want your hips a little bit more square. So that's why I brought this over. I'm going to set up in front of the box here. And I'm going to try to get like right under my glute area onto the box, or the block. And here my hips are square. My shin is parallel with my body, my belly button here. And I'm just imagining getting a little bit of an arch in my back, trying to pull back. And this is getting a lot of different muscle groups. It's also not wrong to bring your ankle in more toward you. Show you on the other side so you can see a little better. So going from a more parallel shin, kind of walking that foot here. But still you want your ankle rotated in toward you. And feel free to play with it a little bit. But our target here mainly, I should say, is the glutes and the hamstrings. Some people like to bring this leg back. I like this without the block. And then kind of collapse down toward here. Some people like to lay down on their side. That's not wrong. Walk it this way, walk it that way. Your glutes go in every direction, so definitely see what feels good for you. And I say kind of like do your best to transition through a few poses so you're not just hitting one ankle.